Again, so guys, in this video we will see how to remove HeyGen watermark. So guys, if you want to remove the HeyGen watermark, so understanding the HeyGen watermark is a standard feature for free or trial accounts, indicating the video was created without a paid subscription. Identify the HeyGen logo on your export videos. Recognize that the watermark is typically for the non-paid user. Understand the watermark protect HeyGen intellectual property. So confirm your current HeyGen account status and plan type. Note that upgrading your plan is the official way to remove it. Upgrading your HeyGen plan. So log in into your HeyGen account using your credentials, then go for the settings. Okay, then after settings, choose look for plan and pricing and upgrade your account. Then browse the available subscriptions and compare the feature and select the plans that fits your needs. Then proceed with the payments process to active your new subscription. Then exporting the watermark free videos. Once your HeyGen account is successfully upgraded, all your new videos exported will automatically be free or any watermark. So confirm your subscription status is active on HeyGen dashboard. Then go to your project and select the video you wish to export. Then click the export or download the button from your video and choose your desired resolution and quality settings. Initiate the export process and wait for it to complete. Then download your final video files to verify the absence of the watermark. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe.